Hello guys and welcome to Technology. My name is Salman and today I wanted to do a quick review video of this product that I had got. I wanted to show you how it works and I'll let you be the judge of it. So today we have the turtle wax chrome polish and rust remover. So I'm just going to use it on this piece of chrome over here and you can see the results for yourself and you can be the judge. Excuse me. So all I'm gonna do to use this is I'm gonna open this can, and I just got a piece of cloth that I'm using. I already used it on this surface and you can see how shiny it is, but I'm gonna show you before and after. So all we are gonna do is I'm gonna keep this on this and just scoop a little bit out like that and just keep it over here. I'm just gonna close this box. And then what we are going to do is, let me just hold my phone in the other hand and I'm going to show you with this hand. So we're just going to rub it all over. You can see it like this. We're going to rub it all over the surface over here. Make sure we get it nice and everywhere over here on all the chrome parts. Sorry for the shaky camera, I don't have the tripod with me right now, but this is what it is. So okay, all you need to do is rub this all over like this, and then you can let it sit for a few seconds, or you can just directly, like me, you can just take a cloth, just taking a microfiber cloth and just wiping it. And you can already see it shine. Let me just and again, there are no video effects or no editing involved over here. As you can see, everything is happening in real time. No cuts in this video or anything like that. So therefore this proves that this product actually works, and it does a pretty decent job at cleaning it. It may not remove all the rust though. I haven't really tried it on rusty surfaces, but I believe it won't remove all the rust, like if you have a lot of rust on the surface. But of course you can remove that rust with some sandpaper or Scotch Brite, and then you can use this product to finally clean the chrome. So now you can see, pretty sure you can make out that it has been it is looking extremely, now it is extremely smooth and extremely shiny, much better than before. So this is a great there's a great big deal of difference between the before and the after. So this product, turtle wax, chrome polish and rust remover, actually works. Good product. So if you're looking for a product to remove rust or clean chrome on your motorcycle or car, so you can go ahead and try this out for yourself. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and if this video helped you out, please do hit that subscribe button and like this video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much.